brought the video camera out here because it's raining, and when it's raining, something dramatic always happens, or something really spooky like the Dementors come. This car coming. Duck. Oh, false alarm. Something's gonna happen though. Something. Hear that sound? Hear it? There's Dementors around the corner. Dementors, I tell you. No, not yet. It's coming. Some water dripping. What was that sound? It's the bird of doom. Oh my god. It's gonna be some sort of secret trap thing. Holy cow, it's a car! Duck down! No, false alarm again. Okay. Gotta keep going. Still nothing. It's gonna happen though. Something's gonna happen. Just feel it. No, still nothing. This is kind of strange. Really. I mean, people are doing nothing and it's raining. I mean, there's some weird people. Really weird people out there. Crazies. Think nothing's gonna happen when it's raining. Look at that. There's a car coming. Oh no, it's a storm. No, it's a car. It might be a Dementor storm. You know, the storms are giant Dementors. Look at that weird lighting. Oh my god. Aliens. Look at on that roof. There's some aliens on the roof. Holy cow. There's aliens on the roof. Nope, possible. No, there's just roof tiles. Oops. Oh my god, it looks like there's aliens on the roof. No, those are just roof tiles. Never mind. Whatever. Guess I should go into my bomb shelter for now.